Stephanie with WTI here, and Geologie's Tone Control Morning Cream is the perfect go-to for a daily face cream for you. With just a dollop, you get wonderful morning protection. It also absorbs in my skin so well, and it leaves my skin feeling really nice and rejuvenated and ready for the day. And because you only need a little bit, it lasts for a really long time. Also, if you see here, they give you like a little diagram of how much you should be using. That way you're using just enough for your face every day and not more, so you're not wasting the product. Also, because of how well it's made, it's very absorbent in my skin. I don't like when creams just kind of sit on top of my skin or make it feel oily or greasy or heavy, but this one really absorbs and moisturizes my skin and helps me feel ready for the day. So if you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine, go ahead and try out Geologie's whole line. They're awesome, but that's just my point of view.